Beauty tip of the day. So when it comes to mascara, I believe that every girl should have at least 2 mascaras in their makeup collection, and I'll tell you why. One, you need a good mascara that's going to be for your everyday makeup use. One that you don't need to apply very many coats of, that makes your lashes look long, defined, separated, and not clumpy. And for that mascara, I would recommend either the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, or if you want a cheaper version, get the drugstore dupe, which is this. This is the e.l.f. Lash and Roll Mascara, and this is the mascara that I am currently wearing right now while I'm filming another video. But if you look closely, you can see that my lashes are visible, but they're long and defined, and it's black, of course, because I always recommend wearing black mascara because it gives you more impact, but with less application, because literally you only need 1 coat of this mascara and you are good to go. So it's great for ladies who are in the rush and on the go and just don't have a lot of time in the morning. They got other things to do, but this will give them a look that's going to make them fresh, wide awake. Now for your second mascara, I recommend a mascara that has a thicker wand, so that way you can get a more thicker application. And this is going to be your mascara that you're going to use when you're going out for dinner, a concert, fun night on the town, and you're going to smoke your eyes up, kind of like how what I'm doing here. And to really add the cherry on top and to give the impact that your lashes need, I recommend this mascara. This is the Maybelline Falsies mascara, and I think it deserves more recognition than it gets. I think this is a product that I think a lot of people have forgotten about and not paid attention to, so I'm making this video as well to give it the recognition it deserves. So I'm going to take off the cap so I can show you the wand. I'm going to take this cap off too of the e.l.f. mascara so that you can see the differences between the wands as well. So if you look at both wands, this is the e.l.f. mascara wand, and you can see that a tad bit smaller than the Maybelline wand, and it doesn't have as thick bristles, so it's perfect for when you just want to lengthen and define your lashes. But the Maybelline wand, as you can see, the bristles are thicker and has more product, so it gives your lashes that defined but thicker, fuller look, which is perfect for that smoky eye nighttime look that I want. So now that I've got the e.l.f. mascara on this eye, I'm going to apply it on my Maybelline mascara on this eye on top of the e.l.f. mascara that I applied earlier, so that way you can see a difference between the two and how dramatically different they look. Alright, this is the mascara on my left eye here, the Maybelline, and then this on my right eye is the e.l.f. mascara. So if you look closely, this is 1 coat of e.l.f. versus 1 coat of the Maybelline Falsies, but if I want to smoke it out even more, I'm going to apply a 2nd coat of the Falsies. Alright, here is the 2 coats of the Maybelline Falsies mascara versus the 1 coat of the e.l.f. mascara. Now I'm going to put 2 coats of the Falsies mascara on this eye, and I will be right back. I wanted to use a more lighter color on my lips to balance out the smoky eyes, and that is my completed look.